Yo, what's up guys? It's Kevin Pack here. Welcome back to the channel. If you don't know who I am, I'm a multiple six-figure Amazon seller. And on this channel, I like to help people out with entrepreneurship and their Amazon business as well. So let's get to this real quick. So you want to make some money on Amazon, huh? So you want to win. I get it. I know. I was in that position. I used to want to do that too. I still want to do that. If you're just starting off on Amazon, or maybe you are in the middle of your Amazon business, but you're struggling, you're trying to win, you're trying to figure out a way to succeed, I'm gonna tell you guys my secret to succeeding on Amazon, okay? The biggest thing, okay, we've all heard of the high revenue, the low competition, low reviews and everything, but there's more to it than that, just that, okay? If that's all you're focused on, you're looking at it the wrong way, okay? Looking at a product that has high revenue and low competition is just the surface level. That is just one level. You guys gotta go deeper than that. Think a little bit deeper, okay? I like to see this as different filters. So in this video, I'm gonna talk to you guys one of the key things about Amazon and succeeding on Amazon. Now, before we get started, of course, I'm gonna show you guys my sales so you guys know I'm a current Amazon seller and I ain't talking no BS. All right, so that's my account right now. And that is the last 30 days so far. And then in the last 12 months, boom, there you go. So as you guys can see, in the last 30 days, I've done over $30,000 on Amazon. And in the last 12 months, I've done over $320,000 on Amazon. How was I able to do this? And how was I able to scale my business to 6 figures and doing multiple 5 figures per month? I'm gonna show you guys right now.
What's up guys? So in this video, like I mentioned, we're gonna be talking about the one thing that matters and the one key to winning on Amazon. And this is differentiating your product, okay? So people miss out on this and they don't take enough time to think about this, okay? Differentiating your product is the game changer here. It's not always about trying to make your way to the top. Not only is making your way to the top going to make you a lot of money, but another way is just taking a piece of the pie. You know, how can you make money in a market that's doing $1 million a month? Okay, how can you take a piece of that $1 million? How can you take maybe $10,000 per month? Okay, it's not always about being at the top. We will always want to find a way to at least fit into the market. And then if we make our way to the top or build our way to the top, good. That's what we want to do. But the thing is, you can't do that by just putting up the same product as everyone else. You can't just source a product that has high revenue and low reviews, but then put up the same exact product as the top seller. Let's use this for an example. So let's look at this olive oil mister or sprayer. This is the top dog right here. All right, so if we look at the whole market, it's doing $500,000 per month. This is one of the top dogs, making $67,000. This one is also one of them. This one's doing 120. We could use this one as an example too, actually. So this guy is top dog, doing $120,000 per month. It's just straight up a oil sprayer, has a bunch of reviews, very, very simple product. It's like 11 bucks, right? Now here's the thing. If we look down a little bit lower, if we get this guy, this $17.99 guy, all right? Let's look at what we got here going on. So this guy has a set of 2 oil sprayers, and then on top of that they have a cleaning set right here and a basting brush as well. So it is a 2 olive oil sprayer with a bottle brush, basting brush, and oil funnel. See the difference here? And let's see how much this guy is making. $30,000 per month. All right, $30,000 per month. He's not the top dog, but he's making $30,000 per month. And that's better than zero. That's better than starting out. So he found a way to differentiate and just took a piece of the pie, a piece of that $500,000 a month, you know? So just doing something as simple as adding another oil sprayer plus adding some cleaning accessories to it was enough to take a piece of that pie. But if he came in and he put up the same exact product as this guy, he probably wouldn't have done well. Let's check that out. Let's check out these guys. Look at this. This guy's doing $2,000, almost $3,000 per month. Let's look at his product. Look at that. Look at that. Looks exactly the same as this one, right? It's basically the same, but this guy's not making any money. He's doing $2,000 a month. And why is that? Because he only thought about, okay, it has high revenue, has low reviews, I'm just going to copy that top seller who has the same style. So he did exactly what the top seller did, but he didn't add his own twist. He didn't add his own way to bring value to the table. And that's what we want to do. We want to give our customers a reason to buy ours versus the top dog. And we want to do this by differentiating. There are 5 ways of differentiating. And I'm going to talk about kind of what he did in this one. Okay. So the main one he did with this one are 2 things. He changed the quantity of the product and he also bundled. So that's 2. There's 3 other ways that you can differentiate, and I talk about this in my course. I'm not going to reveal all of it because this is what I teach my students specifically. So he's already done 2 of them, and you want to do more than just one way of differentiating. There's 5 different ways to differentiate. This guy's already done 2. He changed the quantity, so he put 2 oil sprayers instead of 1, and he bundled it with cleaning accessories because he knows people who want this product are going to have to wash it at some point, and so sponges probably can't get through all the way to the bottom, so a cleaning brush makes sense to bundle with that. And not everyone has a cleaning brush at home like that, right? And it also makes sense that having multiple oil sprayers makes sense because there's not just one kind of oil. There's olive oil, canola oil, vegetable oil, different types of oil. So he knows the market. That's what's really smart about that. So you want to deep dive into the market, understand what people want, looking at the reviews. What do people want? So we look at the reviews here, and then we kind of look at all the good ones and also all the bad ones. Okay, not only do you want to look at the bad ones, but look at the good ones because we want to see what works. What do people like? Okay. Works awesome, great alternative to cooking sprays. The extras are great too, the funnel, the cleaning brush. So people like this bundle. So by looking to the reviews, you can kind of figure out what are the best ways to differentiate the product. But the whole point is, if you want to win on Amazon, if you want to be able to enter a market, you're gonna have to put something on the table. You're gonna have to provide some kind of value. So again, this person already did 2 different ways to differentiate: quantity and also bundling. All right, and again, there's 3 more. There's 3 more that you guys need to know about, and you want to have multiples of these. So if you guys want to win, you guys need to provide value. Okay, don't just put up the same products as everyone else. Okay, you don't have any reason to get your customers to buy yours. Why would somebody buy your product when you have no reviews or anything like that, and no reviews, or maybe only a few reviews, when this person has 800 reviews? 800 reviews. All right, people are gonna buy this product, not yours, unless you come in and differentiate just like this person. Okay, so this is what was a game changer for me. I failed 3 times, lost over $10,000, and the key thing I messed up on was I didn't differentiate strong enough. Okay, I didn't differentiate at all, or I didn't differentiate in a way that followed those 5. Okay, it didn't follow those 5 ways to differentiate. So that's why it's so important that you guys learn how to differentiate. Yes, obviously we want to add value to the product, but you have to know exactly how to do that. Figure out which ones are going to be the ones that make sense for your product. All right, so that's really it. I hope you guys found this video useful. As always, like the video, subscribe for more content, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, peace.